are you? Yeah, man, about it. Hello. I'm Siki, how are you?
Very well, how are you?
Go salama. Pole, tanguka.
Yes.
Mwalimu Dosi. Niaje? Kama wako leo karibu sana. Kwa salama. Uko na pangi?
Sawa.
Niko sawa na nini? Mnang'ang'ana?
Kazi tu, target.
Target iko shida.
Tunajua hapa atakwambia.
Mnasukumana. Na mimi nasukumana na yangu mbaya bana.
Tunapambana. So we have the populated return, which is the simple return for employment income. We're only doing employment income because any of the other sources of income are not declared. So we have to pick the rank.
Okay.
2022. Click next. It's already pre-populated from your pay return filed by the Office of the President. It's a simplification mechanism carried as implemented. So tuna confirm kuna design that is correct. That's by P9. Then capture your relief. So it's a very simple process we explained. It will take less than 5 minutes. Find such a return. And the figures are ready. Let's capture the relief. Then we submit the return. Sure? Yes, sure? Kama uko sure una confirm. At this point, the system sends you the acknowledgement to your registered iTax email, but we can print it for you. So have a view of it. Rather, you can download it. So this is how it is. It's sent to your registered email. And because you are a very good customer in the morning, we're going to apply for your tax compliance certificate.
Okay.
So that you lead from the front. So you come and apply for a tax compliance certificate. You're already very compliant. The system is going to issue a tax compliance certificate automatically. We select the reason. We have various reasons, but yako sioni kama number one. Job, I think you already have a job for the next many years, so maybe hustlers apply using the government tenders if they wish to tender for government. Basically, these are some of the official reasons, legal reasons.
But you don't have somebody just being
there is just others. Yako I think yako sana. Just to know your compliance status. It's downloaded. It's already applied. You can download it. It's great for you so that you live here with something showing that, but it has been sent to your email also. Basically how the results simple. Have a look at it before we
So you've been declared compliant up to 25th of May 2024. And it means as of that date, then you can only apply for the next tax compliance certificate on the 26th of May 2024.
Okay.
So this runs its full course of 12 months.
Okay.
Yes.
This is your P9. Thank you very much.
Explain to me why, do you know that there are some people who sometimes go and print out the different things? Are you doing something about it?
Yeah, we are working on we are working on data.
How do you verify that this P9 genuine?
Yes, there's video tape that what we're doing is a self-employment income is pre-populated. So if there's a clash with what you bring, it will throw out an irregularity in the system. If it doesn't allow to point what we do at the weekend, then every entity files monthly returns for all its employees. So then that way then there's a cost check. But we always go and do and validate the employment costs of the different entities every so often. Yes. Thank you.
Am I done?
Yeah, you are.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. Very good. Very good. Mimi nimeona leo asante sana na mimi nimefurahi sana.
By the way, boss.
Asante sana. Okay, shukrani. Asanteni eh.
So let's see what the different counters for different things. The domestic taxes specific, so different aspects.
Rusa.